Hi, I'm Jerri Doherty, and I just recently had knee replacement surgery. I had a lot of pain in my knees when I would walk. Sometimes I felt like I was going to fall. The pain was holding me back from traveling.
Jerri was understandably struggling with some apprehension about feeling confident going into surgery.
I had put it off and put it off and put it off because I was afraid.
Her therapist thought that OrthoFit would be a great next step for her.
Oftentimes, patients no longer require the skill set of one-on-one physical therapy, but they still need some medical supervision.
You can pull your toes towards your chest. OrthoFit is held at St. Mary's Life Center. It is primarily a strengthening program. Each person in that class, even though it's in a group setting, has their own individual routine that they follow.
It was strengthening my arms and my legs because I was going to need my arms, to boost me up, to get up and down.
They're building the strength they need physically. They're also getting some socialization.
It's very encouraging to watch people who had just been operated on.
It's truly remarkable to follow a participant's journey and see really how transformational these offerings are.
Jerri did surprise me when she came back from knee surgery. She came back stronger than she was when she left.
I am an OrthoFit fanatic now.
Jerri is a star student. She's very motivated.
I can do a lot of things that I was too afraid to do before. I went all the way to Missouri to see my son and his family, and we had a wonderful time. And so it was well worth it.